Find a comfortable spot to sit, close your eyes, and let's get started. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose and let it out through your mouth. As you breathe, allow your body to relax, letting go of any stress or tension. Now imagine a soft, golden light right above your head. This light is warm, peaceful, and filled with calm energy. Picture it gently starting to flow over your head like a blanket of light wrapping you in comfort. As the golden light touches your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw, feel all the tension melting away. It flows down to your neck and shoulders, making you feel lighter and more relaxed. The light continues to move down your chest, arms, and stomach, wrapping you like a protective bubble. The golden light is keeping out all the stress, worries, and negative vibes. Inside this glowing bubble, you are completely safe and calm. Now feel the light spreading down your legs, all the way to your feet, surrounding your entire body. You're now inside this golden bubble of light, feeling peaceful and protected. Take a moment to enjoy how calm and safe you feel. Nothing can disturb your peace while you're in this bubble. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, say to yourself, I'm calm, safe, and protected. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this peaceful feeling with you for the rest of the day.